we invite you to join us for International Coaching Week, which will take place May 16th through 22nd. ICW is a worldwide celebration of the power and impact of professional coaching.
We all have goals we want to reach, challenges we're striving to overcome, and times when we feel stuck. Coaching can help. Partnering with an ICF professional coach can change your life, setting you on a path to greater personal and professional fulfillment. And what better way to discover and experience it than during International Coaching Week?
Please use our events platform to discover a wide range of ICW events, workshops, coaching demos, and pro bono sessions offered by our ICF members and chapters in a variety of languages and time zones. The majority of these events are free to attend.
You may register for as many ICW events as you wish to celebrate the power and impact of coaching with us. We look forward to connecting with you when ICW kicks off on May 16th.